Introducing the Neewear. Neewear is the smallest high-speed hairdryer equipped, which can dry hair 500 faster than traditional hairdryers, with a self-developed brushless high-speed motor. The NTC intelligent, constant temperature system, and hot and cold circulating air modes work together to blow out comfortable airflow alternatively. 2-level airspeed and 4-level air temperature for quick drying, without damaging hair, meeting different daily hair blowing needs. Neewear strong airflow releases 100 million high concentration negative ions to smooth hair frizz, tighten hair cuticles, and make hair soft and lustrous. The metal dust filter is excellent for hair dryer maintenance and easy cleaning. The ergonomic design is for portable and straightforward storage. Neewear high-speed hair dryer.